For this week's craft, I decided to make this cute rain cloud. You will need blue and white cardstock, ribbon, scissors, tape, a pencil, and a black marker. I used my Cricut to cut out the cloud and raindrops. On the cloud, I added the eyes and a cute smile. I wrote one letter of my daughter's name on each raindrop and traced it with a black marker. I decided to use some clear non-filament twine instead of the ribbon to attach everything. I taped pieces of twine under the cloud for each drop. Now I'll tape the raindrops to the bottom of each piece of twine in order to spell her name. This is a great craft for discussing weather and helping your child learn to spell their name. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.